guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran and this video is going to be a review slash unboxing video of a new mask that I came across. Now this mask is from the brand called Pangolin and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the product because this mask I've seen a few celebrities wear and it costs rupees 2500. So I really wanted to see what's so unique about this mask that it costs 2500 rupees and what are the qualities that stand out in this mask compared to the mask that we have been wearing in our daily lives and even disposable mask. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and before we do that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Let's go. So just to introduce you to this brand Pangolin. So first of all, this is a luft mask that is designed in Germany. Basically the company is like an initiative to save pangolins in Asia and Africa. So if you are buying these masks, a percentage of every sale goes towards the Pangolin Crisis Fund that works towards the elimination of the widespread trafficking and poaching of pangolins in Asia and Africa. Pangolins are a kind of animal. So the good thing about the mask is that these are protected by proprietary HealthGuard AMIC technology, and also these are very comfortable to breathe in. So Pangolin masks feature a 4-layer filtration system at the core, of which is hemp and a best-in-class filament to guard you from dust, pollen, bacteria and other particles so you can breathe clean and fresh air. Now comfort and design. The custom design earpiece reduces the pressure on your ear, allowing you to wear the mask for a long period of time. Additionally, your neck strap allows you to hang your mask on your chest when you're not using it. Now reusable. So you can do a lot in 6 months. That's how long your mask will last if you use it every day. So we recommend you wash it once a week and each filter will last up to 20 washes. It is recommended you wash your filter once a week. Now let's go ahead with the unboxing and see what is inside this box. The first thing that we have is a pouch. And it's really classy and absolutely exactly the same material as the straps, the accessory that we got, and very high quality. I think the fact that I love about this is that it comes with this kind of a pouch, so even if I'm not wearing my mask, I don't have to like leave it lying around anywhere. I can just keep it in this separate pouch and basically keep it safe and protected. So inside you will get 2 packages like this and a manual. This is what the box looks like, and these are the 3 things that you get inside. I have already opened it, so I'm just going to show you what's inside these. Now here the manual is basically of how you're supposed to use the valve, how you're supposed to change the filter and adjusting your mask, how you're supposed to use the accessories and everything, and yes, like reassembling your mask or things like that. So now this one here consists of filter and this one here is for the mask. Let's open the mask one first. So here you can see, so they have a lot of designs, but I went ahead and ordered with something like this that has a pink strap because I feel that it's really easy to style this with black and pink outfits. It will go great with my cute outfits. And wow, I have to say that the quality is really good. Now they have also made a design here so that this is where your nose comes in, like so that you know exactly how to wear it. So you are free to like purchase more filters. This one only comes with 1 filter, so that's how you can use it. Now this is what the filter looks like, and also this is size small. And oh, the best thing about the filter is that it has a like this kind of a rod. So a lot of time that we wear masks, like we wear fabric masks or we wear disposable masks. So the problem that I face is that it doesn't cover my face properly. Like there's nothing here basically to close my entire face, this area, so that no outside air comes in through the rest of the area that I have of the mask. It's not tight enough, so that's like major problem that I face. But here they have already put a very like broad rod, so it will easily like tighten, and stupid thing to do but yeah, you can see that this is quite strong and very easily like very flexible, adjustable. And now here they have this kind of a soft fabric, and inside the masks So the good thing is that you can wear it without the filter as well, because even though inside here is velcro, if you don't want to use the filter also, which I suggest that you should, but if you don't want to use it, then you can simply wear it like this, and the velcro will not bother you because they have fabrics on top of it. So the mask only comes with one filter, but if you want to go ahead and buy more filters, you can do that on their website. Now talking about the design, they had two designs. One is this one that I'm wearing in the video, and the other one is the one with walls, which I showed a picture of Abhishek Bachchan wearing on his Instagram. So those masks are actually specially designed to be used against pollution, but during Corona it's better to use masks without walls because they are much safer, I feel, and they provide better protection. The good thing about this mask is that this is not at all sweaty. It's made of very high quality fabric, and also it's really breathable. So even if you're applying a filter, don't think that because you have two layers then it's not going to be breathable, because it is made of cotton fabric, which is really breathable. Also, the fact that I like about this is that it's reusable, so you can have this mask and also keep changing filters and wash it. It causes less material wastage as compared to surgical masks and other disposable masks, so that's a good thing. And the masks are also adjustable, so from the side you can see that there's a little design that you can loosen and tighten your mask easily. If you are somebody who has a really small face, then this is not going to be a problem. They have these masks in 3 sizes: small, medium and large, and they have a size guide to provide you a perfect fit mask for your face on their website. So to sum it up, in the entire package you get one mask, one filter, one accessory which is the neck strap, a travel pouch in which you can carry your mask and keep it there, and also you get to contribute to a big cause. And if you are going to buy from lovepangolins.in, then you're contributing towards raising funds for saving pangolins in Asia and Africa. So I think overall it is worth 2500 rupees, because you get mask and you're getting so many accessories, you have a filter to change, and you're contributing to a bigger cause. And also the pouch is also really high quality. If you want to go ahead with a mask that's more sustainable and can last up to 6 months, then you can definitely invest in it. So we have come to the end of this video, and I hope that you found the review helpful. If you did, and if you like the product, you can go ahead and purchase the same from the link given in the description box below. For the next week, we have a huge Clovia haul coming soon, in which I'm going to be featuring a lot of products and share their review, talk about the products, talk about their prices, and it's not just going to be a clothing haul, but an everything haul. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notified every time I publish a video. And if you have any more ideas for haul video or unboxing videos, you can go ahead and mention them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.